Hello and welcome to session 3 of module 2. In this session, we are going to look into push and pull marketing, very important concept in marketing. Uh, it has changed it has changed a lot since its inception, since it started getting recognition, and it has evolved to be in its new form when it comes to digital marketing. But before we understand its application in digital marketing, let's first understand what it means in the traditional world. So let's jump into it. So what is push marketing? So push marketing defines a promotional strategy in which businesses attempt to take their products to the customers. So it is, as the name suggests, pushing your services, your product to the customer through various channels. And this is where radios, TV advertising, hoardings, print media comes into the picture. You try to push your products and services in a way that customers are interrupted to know about your products or services. If you're watching TV, in between you see those commercials. That is push marketing. You're not actively seeking an information. That information is thrown onto you. And this particular tactic or this particular methodology is mainly used to generate awareness about the brand and generate awareness about the product. If you are entering into new market, push strategy is used to create awareness about products. Now, what is pull marketing then? Pull marketing relies on much the opposite, in that consumers will actively seek out a brand for its products or services because they're already aware of its reputation. So, what are the examples? Website, content marketing, point of sale. So, as the pull marketing, the name suggests, it's about pulling customers to your point of action. In offline world, stores as the best example. You see some ad again and again on your TV, and then you seek out and you go out, you venture out to that particular shop where the product is available, or you actively ask the shop or the mall or the any place where you usually go to buy that particular product about the product. And this is how pull marketing works. So, in sequential manner, I mean, I would say that in traditional way, push marketing comes first, then comes pull marketing. You first create awareness about that particular product, and then pull marketing happens on its own. But at the same time, you need to make sure that your products are available for that particular selling at that particular point of sale. That's why it is very important that you define your strategy, or you define your strategy that way where your demand and your supply are in place. Uh, if you remember our last session, we talked about segmentation, targeting, and positioning. This is why STP is important, because then you can estimate how much demand that particular product will generate, and then you get into your marketing activities like push marketing, and then pull marketing comes into the picture. Now, second way to make it happen. Now, since the evolution of digital channels, second way to make it happen, I am seeking some information about, let's say, laptops. I type in best laptops under this particular price point on Google, and I see bunch of websites. Now, on those websites, most of them will be e-commerce websites. On those e-commerce websites, I will get to see all the information related to that particular product I'm looking for. In this case, laptops. So all the laptops are listed down, and if I make decision then and there, I will buy the product right away. Now this is a mix of push and pull in a way. Rarely it happens that you're trying you today, yeah, I'm trying to seek information about laptop and today only I'm going to buy it. Most of the times you take your time, right? So in order to gain the eyeballs, in order to gain your attention, what happens is you first start typing, let's say, let's go through a journey. I type best laptops in this particular price range. I visit bunch of websites. I'm not convinced, or rather, I want to take my own time. I want to research more, and then I go back to doing my usual activities. Let's say that I visit website today, and after some time, after let's say hour or so, I am going through scrolling through my social media channels, and then it might happen that those ads will pop up, which are very push ads. Those ads will talk about this particular product, and they might try to give you information, more information about the product, in this case laptop. So this is how push marketing happens in the digital world. Now we're anyway going to get into depth of it when we come to that particular chapter of retargeting and remarketing, but this is how mix of push and pull happens. I hope you understood this concept. Now, these concepts, push and pull marketing's concept, have evolved into digital marketing, and they can more or less talked about or can be translated into inbound and outbound marketing. So, as the name suggests, outbound marketing is marketer driven, it's push marketing, it's interruption marketing. What are the examples? Broadcast and print advertising, social media advertising, search engine advertising, email to purchase list, display advertising. And inbound, in the sense, things happen to you. If you are a service or business, people come to you through some inquiry, through your digital presence. So that is how it is consumer driven and pull, and it's pull marketing. So what are the examples of inbound marketing? Blogging, on social media, search engine optimization, emails to opt-in list, pay per click. Now please look at the difference. Outbound marketing or push marketing is marketer driven. Inbound marketing is consumer driven, which is pull marketing. So both of them have their own pros and cons, but since the digital channels have become more and more active and more people have started using them, people are moving away from interruption, and they don't really like that interruption. Still, you need to find the right mix of both push and pull in order to get people excited about your product or service. How to do that, we are anyway going to look into when we come to that particular part in digital marketing strategy. But this is the basic difference. And if you look at this particular thing, most of the time, push marketing in digital world, it is paid one, which is advertising, and pull marketing or inbound marketing is it's very content driven. It is very uh, organic. It is very non-paid sort of nature. Yep. So this is the basic difference between inbound, outbound, and push and pull. So essentially, they mean the same, just that those terms have evolved to accommodate digital platforms. I hope you understood the concept of pull and push, inbound and outbound, uh, and we'll definitely going to use them in when we derive our strategy, or when we get to the strategy part. Till then, thank you so much.